Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Developer Tools now, press F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I and go straight to Elements. Once the DOM is visible, hover Elements to see which part of the page lights up and confirm the exact node you need. You then right-click that node and copy the element HTML for a snapshot. This gives you the markup to analyze. Make sure to note classes, IDs, tag names, and visible text so you can craft a specific Xpath rather than guessing. You now construct the Xpath step by step, starting with the most specific attributes like at ID because they're unique. Once done, add at class or normalize space text, if text is needed. For repeated nodes, use indexing such as //div@class equals item 2 to pick the second one. Make sure to traverse parent/child when context matters, //ul/ly/a. Then test frequently with the console using $x, your Xpath, or you finish by validating the Xpath across page states and responsive breakpoints to ensure stability. If attributes change, prefer functions like contains, at class, part, or starts with, at ID, prefix, rather than full matches. Once constructed, use it in your test or scraper and confirm it returns exactly one node. If it's flaky, anchor to a stable ancestor or add explicit weights in automation so the element is present. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing matches, re-inspect for shadow DOM or dynamically injected markup and adapt accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.